What is sound? Write any four sources of sound. Define wave with its types. Define mechanical and electromagnetic wave. What do you understand by complete wave? What are amplitude and wavelength? What is frequency? Write its SI unit. The frequency of sound is 100 Hz. What does it mean? Change 1 kHz and 1 MHz into Hz. What is time period of wave? Write the relation among velocity of sound, frequency and wavelength. When the ringing bell is touched, it stops ringing. Why? How can you say that sound travels through solid? What happens when you hammer a bell inside water? So, by experiment that sound cannot travel in vacuum. How can you say that sound travels through liquid? Why does sound move faster in solid than liquid or gases? Sound moves faster in air or in water. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. Why? Astronauts use electronic medium to talk with each other in space. Why? We cannot hear each other on the surface of the moon. Why? What is the reason of hearing two sounds in one another side of the pole by hitting one in on one side? What is meant by reflection of sound? What is an echo? Write any two uses of echo. What is reverberation? What are the conditions for echo or reverberation? Why does a louder sound heard in empty room than room with other materials? Why is an echo not heard in a small room? Why is the sound absorber kept at the walls of cinema hall? Write any two differences between echo and reverberation. Mathematical problems. The velocity of sound in air is 332 meters per second and frequency is 10 Hz. What is the wavelength of sound wave? The frequency of sound having 15 meter wavelength is 100 Hz. What is the speed of sound? The wavelength of wave having 330 meter per second, velocity is 3.3 meter. Then calculate the frequency. A man whistled from a corner of a hill and he hears echo in 3 seconds. Find the distance between the man and the hill. Velocity of sound in air is 332 meters per second. A gun was fired 2 kilometers away from a listener. The listener measured the time taken for the sound to reach him as 6 seconds. Find the speed of sound. Sima shouted by sitting at the top of a well and heard her clear echo after 0.4 seconds. Calculate the distance between Sima and surface of water in the well. The interval between a lightning flash and the first sound of thunder was found to be 5 seconds. If the velocity of sound in air is 330 meters per second, find the distance of the flash from the observer.